We have another example on the board. I'm going to solve this problem step by step. If you are experienced with order of operations, you can use shortcuts to get the answer, but I'm going to do everything step by step. Look at the parentheses first. Inside of these parentheses, we have multiplication and addition. We have to perform multiplication first. So I have 2, and I have 5 plus 4 times 3 is equal 12. Minus, I have 4 to the third. This is power. If I'm going to look at the left side of this term and on the right side, we have subtraction and addition. These two operations are equally important. So we can say that this term is kind of separated, and because I have operations which are equally important on left side and the right side, I can perform this operation at this moment. So I have 4 to the third power is equal 64 plus. I have 4 times 5. Look at the left side and right side. We have addition. Okay, so multiplication is more important. That's why I can perform this multiplication at this moment. So I have 4 times 5 is equal 20 plus, and I have division. 20 divided by 4 is equal 5. Next, I'm supposed to do the operation inside of the parentheses. So I have 2, 5 plus 12 is equal 17, minus 64 plus 20 plus 5, okay? And I have 2 times 17 is equal 34, minus 64 plus 20 plus 5. Because subtraction, addition, and addition are equally important, I'm supposed to perform the operations from left side to right side. So I have 34 minus 64 is equal negative 30 plus 20 plus 5. Minus 30 plus 20 is equal negative 10. Remember, from the bigger number, we're supposed to subtract the smaller number and keep the sign of the larger number. That's why I got negative 10 plus 5. Negative 10 plus 5. From the bigger number, subtract the smaller number and keep the sign of the larger number. 10 minus 5 is equal 5, and I'm supposed to keep the sign which is next to the larger number, negative 5. Negative 5 is the solution to my problem.